Hello friends, I am Sagnik. Welcome to Curly Brushes. So friends, today we will learn how to draw an apple. At first, I will take a page of 960 by 560 points. Then, I will start my drawing. So at first, I will select the ellipse tool and draw a circle over here. I will give it red color and also make its stroke none. Then with the direct selection tool, I will select the bottom part of the circle and drag it down. We have to drag it until it's become to the shape of an egg. The next thing we will do is I will select this, go to edit and I will click on the copy option. Then I will again go to edit and click on paste in front option. This will paste another copy of the egg structure over the older one. So now I will drag the upper one and bring it here. Now friends, you can look, we have got the shape of an apple. Now what we will do is, now I will add some highlight to the apple. For that, what I will do, I will select this part of this apple, get a new copy of that structure. So I will press Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Now we can get here a new copy of that structure. Now what I will do, I will select this out, give it a lighter red color. Then what I will do, I will select the right part of the apple. I will right click over it, go to arrange and bring it to front. Now you can see a little shadow has been created of the apple. Now I will start the branch of that apple. For that, what I will do, I will take the curvature tool, draw a curvy line here. Now what I will do is, I will select this, make its foreground color none and give it a dark brown stroke. Then I will select it again, go to window and get the stroke panel. Now from here we will increase the size of the branch and make its caps and corners round. Now you can see the corners and caps of the branch has been rounded. Now I will select this, right click over it, go to arrange and send it to back. This will send the branch back to the apple. Now I will draw the leaves of that apple. For that, what I will do, I will take the ellipse tool and draw a circle over here. Then I will get another circle over here. Then I will select the whole structure, give it green color and make the stroke none. Then I will select this whole part, go to Shape Builder tool, pressing Alt on the keyboard, I will remove the unwanted parts. Then what I will do, I will add some highlights to the leaves. For that, what I will do, I will bring up the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle in between the leaf. I will give it a darker green color. Then I will select the whole part, again bring up the Shape Builder tool by pressing Shift plus M and pressing Alt, I will click on the unwanted part to remove that. Then I will select this leaf and make it as a group. Then I will drag it here and rotate it then place it here. So now you can see the apple has been made. Now I will make a place where the apple should be placed. For that, what I will do? I will again grab out the ellipse tool and draw a oval over here. I will give the oval a grey color. Then what I will do? I will select this oval, right click on it, go to arrange and send it to back. This will look like that the apple is placed on the oval. Now I will select this hole, right click on it and make it as a group. Now you can see a very good looking apple has been created. So friends, if you like this video, please give it a like and comment down to this video. And for more of these tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. So friends, thanks for watching. Goodbye.